15.8. Damn it. Oh my God. Thought that was a good launch, but guess not. Low fuel once again. She sucks back the gas when you drive like this. Me and my buddy got all the wrap all pushed in. Now I'm just gonna trim away everything and then I'll show you after what it looks like. So what we did was we tried to do it all in one big piece, so it was hard to like get up in there with the card and then lap it over because everything was wrinkling. If we would have took the bumper off and wrapped everything in one piece, it would have been, or wrapped them individually, it would have been a lot easier, but we don't have any time to do that, so this is the reason I'm redoing it. It's just bubbling out, and here's just peeling right out. See, it's just, and around here, I'm gonna do it right once and for all, so I don't have to keep redoing it every year. So all you need is a 10 mil with an extension and Roberts or Phillips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts at the top. I got all 4 bolts there. Put them somewhere so you won't forget. This is where the Phillips is. Last one here. Okay, so I got the 4 bolts from this side, passenger side, and this part will come off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 again on this side, and then this clip here, actually gonna have to take that clip off. Same on the other side. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I don't think I am. I'm gonna get a flat head and pop them out. Everything's removed. Should be able to unclip the bumper. Oh, voila. I'm gonna put this in my mouth. Oh, look at that. Get the other side. There. I have never done anything, as you can tell, never done anything like this in my life. So I'm learning as I go. Disconnect your lights. Okay. This is for the spray for the headlights. So I'm gonna go find something to set under this so it's not dangling. So I got these 2 tires I'm gonna set underneath. I know I sound all weird. It's go frozen in my mouth. Okay, so it is a T20 to remove those, and then it's a Phillips to remove the Acura emblem. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and I'll try to remove as little as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the wrap because I think the wrap is holding stuff together. Oh yeah, the wrap is definitely holding it there. Look at that. Kind of goes to show how easy it is to remove this stuff. There. I'm gonna go clean all this extra glue off with rubbing alcohol. And we are gonna do this properly once and for all. Now the best part is I don't have to cut around the Acura symbol. I just gotta wrap it in. Oh, something's peeling there. Just gotta wrap it in and screw it back on. Now I gotta figure out how to take this chrome trim off here. So I'll pick up the video when I figure that out. These are what's holding it in. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna get to be able to see, but it looks like those tabs gotta be pushed down to get this out. And I am scared to break those tabs, so I might just have to try wrapping it as is right here. Okay, so I went ahead and removed about 8 more screws. Now it's just held there by clips. On the bright side, these clips are coming out pretty easily. You just gotta get the flat head underneath and pop them out, and then do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Wiggle them out. And I just suck at removing clamps, so. Okay, now everything is disconnected. Half an hour later, well, half hour on this part. Okay, I'm gonna rig something. I need 2 hands. So lesson learned. You didn't have to take all those bolts and clips out. You just had to unsnap the chrome trim. I was just scared to break it, so I wanted to be sure. But you just... And then... See here? You just kind of... So this just happened. This broke right off. You're probably better off just taking off the bottom and leaving that top part there, because those clips are a bitch. 2 left to get out, so. There, you son of a bitch. So just that one broken piece. Not bad for somebody that's never done this before. But even once it's all clamped in, there's so many clamps, it's not even gonna really be a big deal if that one clip is broken. But yeah, so we go clean these up, wrap them up, and I'll pick up the video after. This is done. Now the hardest part about wrapping it when it's not on the car is you need to use 2 hands to wrap to pull out the wrinkles and everything, and so you're trying to hold with one hand and pull the wrinkles out with the other, and it's really difficult to do with one person and with one hand. So I'm just gonna take out those wrinkles by heating it up and pulling it up, and then I think the only benefit to taking all this out is I'll be able to cut on the inside here, and I'll get a clean cut, and that's about it. Okay, so I got it all back together. Looks way better. There's no peeling, no silver showing anywhere, no bubbling. Should last for 2-3 years now, hopefully. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.